Paragraph. Birds of Bangladesh form a rich and diverse avian population that adds color, song, and vitality to the country's natural landscapes. From the rural countryside to urban parks and wetlands, Bangladesh is home to a wide variety of bird species that contribute to its ecological balance and biodiversity. The wetlands of Bangladesh, including the world-famous Sundarbans mangrove forest, are teeming with avian life. Waterfowl such as ducks, herons, egrets, and storks thrive in these watery habitats. The sight of elegant Asian openbills foraging for food or colorful kingfishers darting above water bodies is a common occurrence. The forests and woodlands are home to a plethora of songbirds, raptors, and owls. The melodious songs of warblers, bulbuls, and miners create a natural symphony. Bangladesh also hosts a range of raptors, including eagles, hawks, and vultures, showcasing their prowess in the skies. Coastal areas and estuaries are vital for both resident and migratory shorebirds. From the strikingly patterned plovers to the elegant sandpipers, these birds traverse great distances during their annual migrations, making Bangladesh an important stopover point along their journey. Among the most celebrated birds of Bangladesh is the national symbol, the oriental magpie robin. Its distinctive black and white plumage and melodious song make it a beloved sight in urban and rural settings alike. Efforts to protect and conserve the diverse birdlife of Bangladesh are essential to maintaining the ecological balance of the region. Conservation initiatives and bird-watching activities not only contribute to scientific understanding, but also foster an appreciation for the beauty and importance of these feathered inhabitants. In essence, the birds of Bangladesh form a vital part of its natural heritage, enriching its ecosystems and captivating the hearts of both residents and visitors. Their presence symbolizes the interconnectedness of all life forms and the need for responsible stewardship of the environment to ensure their continued existence.